what would the environment be like for the next 10 years? Would the retailers be allowed to buy electricity from new power producers and wheel it all the way to the retailer and get the existing disco or the wire business out of the business? Or is this going to be a moratorium? So the regulatory framework and the policy that we are drafting as we speak will play a very important role in whether the privatization and the concession agreement would be a success or not. That is absolutely crucial. K-Electric has been a good experience, but I think we have a lot to learn from the K-Electric experience. The consumers could be, since we can't bring in competition to that level immediately in the next 5 years, so the regulator's capacity to take care of the consumer's interest has to be key and critical.